So I'm back with my final review for today, and this one is by Awesome Luxury Hair. This is one of their human hair wigs. She's called HH Wendy, and I have her in the color red wine. I don't know why I was gonna say I have her in the color natural. So it comes in natural black, and it comes in red wine. So I'm guessing that the natural and natural black, well, mainly the natural. You know what, I'm not even gonna go there because it doesn't say that it can be bleached, dyed, or perm, so I'm not gonna go there. Usually the unprocessed hair, you could bleach it, dye it, or perm it, but like I said, it doesn't say that here, so yeah, let's not take it there. But it does come in natural. All right, just in case you want to try it out, you can definitely get the natural color and try it out. But yeah, this is the only special color that it comes in, which is the red wine. This is what the stock card looks like right here. Really nice, simple, throw on and go. I mean, when it comes to the short wigs, you do have to do a little bit more work to it to make it, you know, fit your face a little bit better and stuff like that. So go ahead, do that. But once that's done, like, you're good enough for the rest of the time, you can just throw it on and go. Okay, but this is it. It has two combs up front, one at the back, the adjustable straps, and you have a mesh net material cap, but it's not a stretchable mesh net. It's just a regular mesh net. It has like a tiny bit of stretch to it, but not even as much as you would get with a regular cap construction, so that's kind of, you know, different. But anyway, it's a mesh net cap, okay, and I would say it's about medium to large in cap size. It could fit a larger head size, it could fit a small head size as well. It doesn't have like a lot of extra room in there and stuff like that, whereas, you know, it's bulky, so it could fit a smaller head size. But if your head isn't too big, then I think it could fit you as well. Of course, this is heat safe because it is a human hair wig. I didn't add any heat to it. I didn't need to add any heat to it. It's pretty good just the way it is. All I did was I went in and I trimmed a little bit off the sideburns, off the front, just a little bit, and I added some mousse, you know, in the styling process. But that was it. I didn't trim the back or anything like that. I'm pretty sure the back does need a little bit of trimming, but I did not go in and trim anything off the back, so you can do that if you want to. But let me know what you think about this here in the comment section down below. It comes with like a little crown closure right here, so there's no lace or nothing. It's a full wig. But like I said, let me know what you think about this one in the comment section down below. I think it's really cute. Usually I'm not really into the short units, but I think they're starting to grow on me now. Once they're good enough and they're not like crazy, it's kind of starting to grow on me, so you know, I'm probably becoming a fan. If you do want to purchase, the link would be in the description box down below, along with the colors that it comes in. Check that out. But thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.